Hi friends, Miss Robyn here. Another favorite book to bring you. I really like Slop by our favorite author, Mo Williams. So read along with me, we'll see what happens. La la la. Hi Gerald. Hi Piggie. Yikes! What is that? This is Slop. Slop. Yummy, yummy Slop. Do you think it's good? Yummy. You eat that? Sure I eat this. Pigs really like Slop. Eating Slop is part of pig culture. Oh. Should it smell like that? Yes! What about all those flies? The flies are how you know it's ripe. Do you want to try my Slop? Do I want to try your Slop? No way! Oh. Okay. Walk, 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 walk. Uh-oh. Does Piggie feel sad? Piggie, wait! Yes, Gerald? I will try your Slop. Yay! Maybe you will really like Slop. Maybe. Try a big taste. I will try a small taste. That is a small taste. You were close to trying Slop. You're closer. Do you think he's gonna like it? Do you think you would like it? Closer. You tried it. Oh no. Spicy, huh? Do you know I get that old shoe taste? Old shoes. So, do you really like Slop? Do you think he likes it? No, I do not really like Slop, but I am glad I tried it. Because I really like you. Oh, Gerald. Dessert? Don't push it, bub. The end. All right, I'll see you next time.